Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about a salon that got robbed and broken into not too long ago. So let's get into this video and see what happened.
Now an exclusive story. Crooks caught on camera ripping off tens of thousands of dollars worth of hair weave products from a store in North Las Vegas. Gabby Hart reports the owner is pleading for help finding that merchandise and even offering a reward.
Iwearthebest.com makes custom wigs and sells luxury quality hair. Over the weekend, 4 men in masks and hoodies shattered the glass, climbed into the store, and cleared out all of the shelves. This small business now says they're not sure how they'll recover if they don't locate that stolen merchandise. Take a close look at the men you see in this surveillance footage. Around 1:30 Sunday morning, they broke into Iwearthebest Wig Boutique near MLK and Cheyenne Boulevard in North Las Vegas. They stole more than $100,000 worth of wigs, hair weave, and other supplies. Watch as the men rush to clear shelves. Stuffing it into large bags, they then load the merchandise into the trunk of a black car and take off.
Okay, so Iwearthebest salon got broken into. This is like tragic to all of the hair professionals, salon owners, wig makers, all of that, because I heard about it on Instagram and it literally flourished across the wig making community hard, like really hard. So from the owner's words herself on Instagram, they're closing for 14 days due to the tragic burglary. Inventory was stolen. For the next 2 to 3 months, it's probably going to put them back for their salon. All orders have been fulfilled and all tracking will be sent out tonight. So that is serious, especially for those clients who've ordered things and maybe their orders got stolen in this tragic burglary. So I feel the pain. I'm currently looking for a bigger salon to be at, and if that were to happen to me, I would literally be in tears. All of my hard work and everything just gone in a matter of minutes.
Finally filled this wall over here for the first time to see our hard work being put in a bag.
Miss Pinkney is the owner. She started her business from the ground up and fought hard to keep it going during the pandemic. She had just made her biggest investment in inventory thus far and recently hired full-time employees to help run the store.
What they took were wigs that not only did we order for inventory, they took everything that we worked on, so our hours are gone. The cost of the wigs are really expensive, and our custom-made wigs, everything is really expensive. They pretty much took everything that we had.
There was 4 burglars. They look like 4 guys to me in the video, but she had bars on her windows. She had a security system. She had everything that she thought she needed in place, but somebody's always going to find a way. So they actually busted in through the top windows, which is so sad because, you know, you don't think you need to go that far to protect your livelihood, but they definitely took hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of hair, wig, inventory out of her shop, and I just feel her pain in this video. I really hope they find the guys who did this, and I hope she even gets something back out of any of her inventory that got stolen that day. So this is very sad. I hope that she can come back from this for her business. So we'll see. She keeps us updated on Instagram, so we'll see what happens after this. It's on the news, you know, there's a reward and everything like that. So I really hope that, you know, this Vegas salon owner, Miss Pinky, can get it back together. She's strong and I believe she can do it. So to all of my other wig makers out there, this is definitely something that hit hard. So just be cautious, stay protected, get insurance on everything that you guys have, and I hope this doesn't have to happen to anybody else. So pray for her, and I hope that she can get through it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that, you know, all of her merchandise can be replaced, and I hope she can have some sense of security staying at her location. So subscribe to my channel if you guys like more videos like this one, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
The store is offering a reward. Anyone who provides a tip that leads to merchandise being found will receive 20% of the items returned. If you know anything, you can call North Las Vegas Police, or you can always call Crime Stoppers if you'd like to remain anonymous. That number is right there on your screen. For News 3, I'm Gabby Hart, reporting.